Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to do it, and we can use it directly, we can do it using directly our contact list or the settings, and obviously I will show you both options. So let's begin with the contact list. Find the contacts you would like to block and tap on it, tap on this info icon and choose the three dots icon. Now let's tap on block contact. Your device will obviously ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on block, and as you can see here we've got the small icon which will notify us that we just blocked this number. We can obviously unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it appeared on the blacklist. So right now it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, reasons or keypad. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see, actually on the very first position we've got block numbers, so let's tap on it, and here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts. What's more, here we've got the section which will allow us to add a phone number manually from the recents or contacts. So obviously after tapping on contacts, we will be transferred to our contact list, and again you can block the number from the contact list, but here we've got a little difference. It is because you can block more contacts in a row, so you will just mark as many contacts as you want to and just tap on block. You won't have to do it manually like it was before. So let me show you how to add a phone number manually. All you have to do is to simply tap on this section. Here you can enter the number on the keypad, tap on done and tap on this plus icon. And as you can see, it actually immediately appears on the blacklist. So obviously it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Here you've got also the option block unknown or private numbers, which is quite a cool option. You can activate it just by tapping on the switcher or turn it off the same way. So if you would like to unblock the numbers, you can just tap on this minus icon, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.